From our room, we got fresh and again started our journey to Auroville. We took our scooty. It was almost 12 kilometers towards Auroville from our room. Driving is almost impossible. Vehicles crossing you from left and right without helmet, it was too difficult. Congested road conditions, heavy vehicular density, increased traffic volume, slow moving traffic, gridlock situation. All in all, it was a great experience. But please check twice when you are using Google Map because there are different routes to reach there.
Auroville Matrimandir.
It will take around 45 minutes, that is almost 2 kilometers from the parking lot to reach the Matrimandir. Parking fee for two-wheeler is Rs 50. Auroville is an experimental township in Tamil Nadu, founded in 1968 by Mira Alfasa, the mother, and Sri Aurobindo. It's a UNESCO recognized city of peace and a hub for spiritual growth, sustainability, and community living. Earlier, we thought that Mira Alfasa is the mother of Sri Aurobindo, but later, after reaching there, we realized that she was from France. Her interest in spirituality from an early age brought her to India. She met Sri Aurobindo in the year 1914 in Pondicherry, collaborated on spiritual and philosophical works, and developed the concept of internal yoga. Auroville offers various accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. Here's a comprehensive list: guest houses and hotels, eco-friendly and sustainable options, budget-friendly options, luxury and boutique options, homestays and service apartments also. But I recommend you to book in advance, especially during peak season. Research and choose accommodation aligned with your values and budget. Consider staying in nearby Pondicherry for more options. Respect Auroville's eco-friendly and sustainable ethos. Engage with local communities and experiences. There are two ways to visit the Matrimandir according to your choice. If you only want to walk around the complex, taking in the stunning architecture, capture photos and videos from designated areas, go for the exterior viewing only. But if you want to experience emotional experiences, spiritual, energetic, meditative, and many more such experiences, you should definitely go inside the Matrimandir.
So now we are going to Matrimandir. It's about 1.5 kilometers from here. We have to walk from here.
For general darshan, that is viewing from the outside, you only have to obtain free pass which will be available at the Matrimandir Visitor Center. The Matrimandir Dome is the iconic centerpiece of Auroville, symbolizing the Divine Mother's presence. The Matrimandir in Pondicherry features two main chambers, the outer chamber and the inner chamber. Outer chamber, also known as the Hall of Peace, located at the base of the Matrimandir, accessible to all visitors. It features 24 petals which symbolize the 24 virtues of the Divine Mother as envisioned by Sri Aurobindo and the Mother.
ഞങ്ങളിത് ചിരിക്കും അത്ര തന്നെ. ഞങ്ങൾ ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ ഇതിനൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്.
The 24 petals represent the multifaceted nature of the Divine Mother. Each petal symbolizes a virtue to be cultivated for spiritual growth. The petals are arranged in 4 rows, representing the 4 aspects of the Divine Mother: wisdom, power, love, and unity. The design embodies the harmony between spirituality and nature. The dome's design was inspired by the mother's visions. The inner chamber's acoustics allows for perfect silence. The dome's outer shell is made of 1,200 stainless steel triangles. The Matrimandir complex covers 82 acres. The Matrimandir old tree, also known as the sacred tree or the tree of life, is a historic and spiritually significant tree located near Matrimandir in Auroville. The mother's favorite spot, she would sit under this tree for meditation and contemplation. Spiritual energy believed to emanate spiritual vibrations, fostering inner peace and connection. Represents the unity of nature and spirit. The mother discovered the tree in 1968. She meditated under it, receiving divine guidance. Tree became a sacred spot for Auroville's community. Sri Aurobindo Ashram inside Matrimandir is a spiritual hub dedicated to the philosophy and teachings of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother.
So now we are going out of Matrimandir and here we can get the free bus service. Just check it. You know.